Well, happy Halloween, trick or treat, and all that fun stuff. It is October 31st, 2024. It's about 1 o'clock in the p.m., and I have to get some sleep, so this is going to be a fairly short one. Boy. Yeah. Anyway, hope everybody's had a good meal today, and your Halloween's a good one, or your Day of the Dead, whichever it is, whatever it is, wherever it is, for the next couple of days. Sorry. Anyway, boy, $100 plus for a day in a car. Get it at 3 in the afternoon, and have it back by 7, 8 the next morning. Not even a full day, and they want to charge me over $100 for a car. Picking it up at Love Field and dropping it off at DFW. That's just totally wrong. I don't know. Uber's starting to sound real good. But then I don't know how much it's going to cost for an Uber from, I don't know. We'll see. Nothing else, I'll pick one up and, catch a shuttle to a hotel and book a night there, and I don't know. Figure something out. But yes, I'm looking at prices on hotels in Dallas and seeing if they have a shuttle, trying to find that one that goes both, right in the middle, goes to both of them. Haven't found one yet. But anyway, it's one of those things. And well, I can almost say that I've got my taco day and burritos and such. Had a good weekend of my weekend for that. Full belly. Even my cooking was good enough on that one. So, yay. Tired, and I'm needing to, like I say, get to bed, get some sleep, and get there for tonight. Set my alarm for about 9 hours, 8 hours, 8.5 hours from now, and hope I actually get that much sleep. Yeah. It would be nice. If not, well, life goes on. It is what it is. I started feeling like a long-haired hippie freak. I just don't do long hair real well. And, well, it gets more than about a quarter-inch long, and I start feeling long-haired. Gets all the way up to a half-inch, and, time to cut it. So, had that moment this morning. Because, well, feeling like a long-haired hippie freak. I don't know. It's definitely a bit cooler. And we did manage to get down to, I think it was 37 this morning outside or something like it. We were in the 30s for Fahrenheit. So let's see. It got down to 34 this morning. Whew, ain't even colder than what I thought it was. But it's only supposed to get up to 67 today. Good temperature for an ice cube. No. I actually turned the heater on. Ain't supposed to get quite that cold tomorrow. So it's only supposed to get down to 42 in the morning. We'll see. The bottom can drop out real fast around here. It's the hard part around here about our weather. They're guessing at best. Our best weather guesser is actually fairly accurate. But yeah, it's even hard for him sometimes because, yeah, Texas Panhandle. We call our weather bipolar, and we really mean it. Like I say, I've been here when it's gone from 92 all the way down to 32 with an inch of snow blowing sideways. So, yeah. What's that in Celsius? I don't know. 30 something all the way down to 0. I don't know. What is 80, what is 94 degrees or 93 degrees, 92 degrees, that ballpark? In Celsius, yeah, 30 something. All the way down to 0. 12 hours. Come on, enjoy the swing. I love my weather, I love my weather, I love my weather. Not. I'm getting tired of it. I'm ready for something that's warm. It is what it is, though. Got up, got to looking at it, decided not to mess with the defensive driving class today. Just wasn't feeling it. So I went back to bed and crawled back in bed and slept a little while longer. It's always good to get a nap. Yeah, I went in, plugged a book in, laid down, closed my eyes, and I think I got about a 4-hour nap. It was good. We used to, when we were young, they tried to punish us by sending us to bed. Go take a nap. Yeah. We get old, it's like, oh, please, let me catch a nap. Anyway. Yeah. It's amazing how things change as you get older. Anyway, had somebody comment about, where are you here in the Philippines? Had to say, no, not there yet. I'll be there in July 2025. Oh, yeah, I'm definitely ready. And things are moving, so yay. Get to go and try to move some radio equipment this weekend. Club meeting. Yay. It is what it is. Anyway, I'm going to call it. Like I said, it's a day I'm usually stay awake for things, but I know I got to get some sleep because, oh yeah, got to go get that overtime tonight. So yay, overtime. And yeah, it'll look good on the time card, and it'll definitely look good in the bank account. I don't know about you, but I like making money. And yeah, problem is here in America, you spend more, as much or more of it than you bring in. It's hard not to just have it go poof. It's just, somebody was saying over there, yeah, I might make 10 times more than what a Filipino does, but I also pay out 10 times more for what it costs us here. Yeah. And that's scary true. But yeah, it's also an advantage in a lot of ways for us going over there. I think the rate was 58, got up to 58 pesos to the dollar, so yay. I think I've got like 14,000 pesos in my little Wise card now. I'm working on it. A little bit here, a little bit there. Hey, every time it goes up, I try to buy a little piece. Comes down, I sit there and go, it's going to go back up. It's bouncing. So I'm buying it on the highs, or when the dollar's high against it, so it's low against the dollar. And yeah, catch what I can as I can. Anyway, I hope everybody's having a blessed day, and hope that your weekend's a good one. Later blessings, bye-bye, and hey, big meals. I'm William from Williams, Philippines. I'm fishing. Fish is out.